Hello, it's Brian Chandler here in Parker, Colorado with Remax Alliance. And I'm at Richie's Express Car Wash, which in my experience here, I think is the best car wash here in Parker, Colorado. This is located on Lincoln near the corner of Dransfeld. And yeah, we were approaching. They've got two mirrors to help guide you in for your tire into the slot there. We got this friendly guy. Hey, guy, how are you? Yeah, they change employees fairly regularly. It's tough to be damp all day long through your job. Anyway, we're going through, and we have a car wash called The Works, which is pretty good, I think. Even when I come back from the mountains and I'm all encrusted with mud and snow and all those things too. So yeah, we're going through the tunnel right now in our immersive, interactive experience for you. I know most of you have been through a car wash, so most of this isn't new to you, but I just thought I would take you through Richie's to see. And once again, if you're here in Parker and you need a car wash, Richie's is the place to go. Now they're putting the clear coat on right now to help dry spot free. And for the most part, it does a darn good job. They do give you a little towel to wipe down the car afterwards if you want, in a space which also has free vacuums, which you see. Have a little mirror there that'll let you see when you come out what your car looks like compared to what it was when you went in. And we pull into a spot. As I said, you got some free vacuums there. And when all's said and done, it's looking pretty darn good. I have to say, Richie's Car Wash, Express Car Wash, Parker, Colorado.